Let us take a quick look at the Markdown basic syntax. And so all Markdown parsers support this basic syntax. When we talk about parsers, that's a program that knows how to take Markdown, the raw Markdown format, and spit out HTML. And there can be variations between the parsers because there's implementations in different languages for different use cases. So understand that your Markdown might not be the same as someone else's Markdown in terms of what will work and not work. But we have headings, so that's just your standard headings. You have text formatting like italicized and bold text. Some of the times bold text can be underscores instead of double asterisks. Why they made italicized single asterisks, I have no idea, as a lot of people think that it's the single asterisk, but that's just what it is. For block quotes, that's like an indented text, usually for quotes. We have unordered lists, so you just put hyphens in the front, they'll put bullets there. For ordered lists, you can keep all the numbers the same, so 111, and it will then render out as 1, 2, 3, 4, which is really nice. That is for a link. That is for an image, very similar to link, but has an exclamation mark in the front of it. You have the horizontal ruler or rule, and then you have inline code. I need to really point out that that is using a backtick. So when you're doing code blocks, they always use backticks for Markdown, okay? So that is the basic syntax, and there you go.